Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I will be showing you my favorite TV show intros. Before we start, an honorable mention is Supernatural recaps. They aren't intros, but they are similar. Anyways, hope you enjoy. At number 1, my favorite TV show intro of all time is The OC. The song is called California, one of my favorite songs ever created. At number 2 is Friends. I love this song and it's just a fun tune. At number 3 is How I Met Your Mother. This song gives me nostalgia of when I used to watch it all the time. At number 4 is one of mine and my family's favorites, Shadowhunters. At number 5 is any American Horror Story intro. I am gonna have to go with Apocalypse for this place though. At number 6 has got to be Game of Thrones. Such a catchy tune and incredible animation sequence. At number 7 is the Teen Wolf intro, one of the best intros for monsters. At number 8 is one of my first TV shows I ever watched, Sabrina the Teenage Witch. At number 9 is OP the Flash. At number 10 is The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina. Even though it almost goes for 2 minutes, I still love it. At number 11 is Parks and Recreation. Before we move on to the 12th and last favorite intro, here are some honorable mentions. Guillermo del Toro's Cabinet of Curiosities. Tokyo Ghoul. Pretty Little Liars. Dexter. X-Files.
Yes, no, maybe.
And finally, number 12
I
is
don't know.